Hey, babe. Something came from Amazon for you.
What is it?
I don't know.
All right, this is gonna be really fun, Wes. You know how we got the new xTool P3?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to make something with it that we could sell on Etsy, but that has not been done before. You know how I am obsessed with these Awala water bottles?
Yeah, it's like your favorite thing ever.
Yeah, so I collect Awala water bottles. I've pretty much ordered them from every student that I have that sells these. I thought, okay, this was a trend, picked up, really probably peaked like last year, I wanna say. But what could be a spin-off to go with this that you could personalize and sell on Etsy?
I'm dying to know. What is this?
Okay. So it's two things. One is right here, and then this is like the foundation of this. Okay, do you see this? So this is exactly what happened with the Stanley water bottles. We started seeing keychains that were little Stanley cups. Now here's a little Awala one, and guess what it is? It's functional.
Hand sanitizer.
No, think harder. Here. So it is something you can put chapstick in, you could put pills in here, you can put something in here, and it's a screw on top. Look at what I got to add to it. Okay, look at these. This is gonna be personalized to go with this and have a little name on it. My thought is for these, you could sell them in so many different ways. Flower girl proposal gifts, bridesmaid gifts, things to add into gift boxes to add personalization. Obviously any type of party favor, personalized party favors, because these are like 30 cents each, plus this $5. If you got this in bulk, you could get it for much less. And then you could easily sell these for like $14.99. Okay, let's go strategize. All right, so we're in the kitchen. Come see the Awala collection. Now, this is not all of them. If you do these, by the way, B2B is the way to go. We also do ones for the kids, Etsy-O, the best way to get free traffic on Etsy. Here is what I'm thinking. We could do some where it's like businesses, like Etsy-O or the Ultimate Etsy course, the kid's name, maybe parents' phone number. We could do one, will you be my flower girl? You could literally put your address on it if your luggage gets lost. What
If
else?
you have a set of keys, a vehicle that you don't drive but you need to have labeled.
We should do these for all of our rental properties.
Good, yeah.
Let's do that. And then what I think we're gonna end up wanting to do is take off the keyring off of the main Awala keyring and then just use the main one that this is on, because I think this will be harder to thread through. Are you game?
I'm game.
What else would you want to do on the weekend? Best part, should we list these on Etsy?
Yes!
Let's go to the laser. Now, one thing about this laser that I like is we are in an HOA neighborhood. At our old neighborhood, we had a laser that would just pump out smoke. It would get into people's windows. We had a couple complaints. This laser, the P3, we aren't having that problem at all. Really a plus, and it's on caster so you can roll it.
It's also much less frustrating. I think the last one you spiked your computer into the
I
ground.
did throw a MacBook on the ground one time. Our old laser, it was a full spectrum laser, and that's an American made brand. We did have some problems with just the size of it. It was maybe overkill for what we needed. I love the P3 because you can see it's very small. It's on wheels, so you can move it around the garage without having multiple people. It's on a stand, it's white, the aesthetic is there, and we do keep it covered because we do park the main car in this garage. We have two garages, and this is the main one we park it in. Wes is the engineer.
Hi, guys.
And he's gonna get the laser set up and I'll show you how easy it is. Wes is really more of the technical person, but I know I could do it if he wasn't here. I don't know why he's laughing. For this one, I'm going to use a font that is very similar to Favorite Daughter because super trendy. It's like more elevated than Times New Roman. And I think we're gonna be seeing a lot of that font in 2026. And I'm also gonna kind of have a little nod to Bloomingdale's, the little brown bag. I'm gonna do the pool key. Okay, so I'm making it bigger. Instead of scoring, I'm gonna click engrave. This font is actually not bad. Yeah, I kind of like this. Now I'm gonna make it a little bit closer together. So I'm clicking on more and I just clicked -1. There we go. Now we're getting that kind of Favorite Daughter look here. I think actually for the shape of this, it's gonna make a lot of sense. Okay, but I don't want the bold version, so I'm gonna go regular. Yeah, this is it. I think this is it.
It's totally it.
All right, so let's put it in. I think that'll look great on here and see how it goes. So putting it in, actually you can see it actually fits pretty nicely. This is actually a pretty large tag. So I'm gonna balance it there, somewhat even. Okay, but it doesn't really matter. Oh, love that. Image changing, ready, close the lid. Super easy. It takes the picture of it for you, which is such a relief because I cannot tell you how many times I've tried to map out on our old laser how something would go. And then it raises it up to the perfect height and it's gonna visualize it for me. This is what it looks like. I want it to be kind of big, actually. I like a large engraving size. And then we're gonna test, this is my test one, you guys. So we're just gonna see how it goes. And then on the other side, I'm gonna make it maybe even a little smaller. So with this, it's an unknown material because it's not an xTool product, but I'm going to click, I know it's fake leather, so I'm going to click brown PU leather and apply that setting. And then when we see, you can click engrave, the power is gonna be 10%, the speed is 600. My motto is put the food in the oven before it's preheated. So I'm more like, let's see how it goes. So let's click process. Now we're just gonna say, okay, let's start it. 1 minute, 21 seconds, not bad. Watch it like totally catch on fire. Easy. Now it's getting a black look on it. The brand that I liked, it has the gold stamped look. So I'm curious to see how this turns out, but I think with the gold hardware, it's gonna look really good. All right, she's done. So let's take a look at how it went with these settings. Yes, this is perfect. Look how good that is. Favorite daughter font, nailed it. So Wes, I just had another idea. You could totally sell this on Etsy for Teacher Appreciation Week. Let's do one for Cameron's teacher.
Yeah.
This is Tran. And then you could position it Teacher Appreciation Week, #1 teacher. You could have a little quote about teachers being like changing the world. You could actually even have like handwriting, like love Cameron and take his handwriting, put that on one side, and let's go. Okay, I am so excited because we found out by doing the blue one that it actually comes out in kind of a matte gold. So I am so thrilled. And it pops so nicely off the blue. Yay! Let's talk about some other customers you could do this for. By the way, it doesn't have to be an Awala keychain. It could be something else too. But you could do this for like little kids' slumber parties. You could do this for like coaches. You could do class of 2026, confirmation gifts, like Sweet 16, my first car keys. I don't know who gives their kids a car when they're 16 anymore, but just some ideas. One thing I like to do is look around the house and see what we could engrave. Like what if we engraved like the handle of a wooden hammer, like a cool wooden level? That'd be a really cool like Father's Day gift. Plus, if you wake up one day and all your stuff in the garage is personalized and engraved, it means I love you.
I might go lock my tool chest right now.
It looks so good. This is definitely something worth getting from Amazon to personalize. Check it out. And when you look at it under the light here in the laser itself, see how the gold really ties into the color there. So good.
So cool.
Now, Mama's getting a little impatient, so let's do a bunch at a time. Okay, so we're gonna load it up. We could literally load up 40 of these things. Okay, so now it's recognizing I put a bunch of the same stuff in here, and they are saying switch to batch processing mode. So you can do one click, copy the patterns to other materials for faster, more convenient processing. You can do the same design batch processing or different design batch processing, and I'm gonna do different design batch processing. So we got a bunch of these done. Let's put it together and see how it looks. So I'm actually going to hook this on to the main one that this spins around on. Okay, so this is what the look we have. Now, let the pliers do a little work on this. We're gonna take off this extra little like jump hook. Okay, now we're left with this to clip it onto a backpack for a little kid. Perfect. Look at that. What do you think, Wes?
So cute.
If I was gonna be taking a shot of this for like a thumbnail photo, right in like that, imagine that cropped to square. You always want the personalized part to be horizontal because that's how people read, right? We would never want to picture it like this or like this, because then people are reading sideways. And you'll have much higher click-through and stronger value proposition if you show that horizontal. So I hope this is inspiring to you if you are thinking about what could I do with my laser, and maybe I don't want to invest a ton of money in something like actual Awala water bottles, but I still want to play into that trend. And this is a great example of how you can do this. And I would love to challenge you to put something like this in your Etsy shop. And if you want some tips and strategies for how to get people to actually see your listings and how to actually make money on Etsy, I would love to invite you to my next free training. You can actually click on the link to save your seat in the comments and in the description, or we'll put the QR code up here and you can grab a spot at my next free class. I do them almost every week.
Hope you enjoyed the vlog style video, guys. If you want me to come back, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below.
Wes told me he's only going to come back onto my videos if we get 200 subscribers from this one. So, all right, see you guys later.
Bye.